Meaning of HRP. Human resource planning is the process of forecasting an organization's future human resource needs and ensuring that it has the right people in the right positions at the right time. It involves analyzing current workforce capabilities, identifying future needs, and developing strategies to meet those needs through recruitment, training, development, and retention of employees.
Importance of HRP. 1. Strategic alignment. Human resource planning ensures that an organization's workforce is aligned with its strategic goals and objectives, helping to achieve long-term success. 2. Forecasting future needs. By analyzing current workforce capabilities and future requirements, HR planning helps anticipate staffing needs, ensuring the right talent is available when needed. 3. Talent acquisition and retention. Effective HR planning aids in attracting, recruiting, and retaining top talent, crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in the market. 4. Cost efficiency. Proper planning minimizes recruitment costs, training expenses, and turnover rates by ensuring that resources are allocated efficiently and effectively. 5. Adaptation to change. In a dynamic business environment, HR planning enables organizations to adapt to changing market conditions, technological advancements, and other external factors. 6. Succession planning. It helps identify and develop future leaders within the organization, ensuring continuity and stability during leadership transitions. 7. Performance improvement. HR planning facilitates the identification of skill gaps and training needs, leading to the continuous improvement of individual and organizational performance. 8. Legal and regulatory compliance. By ensuring that the workforce is compliant with relevant laws and regulations, HR planning helps mitigate legal risks and ensures ethical business practices. 9. Enhanced employee engagement. A well-planned HR strategy fosters a positive work environment, promotes employee satisfaction, and enhances overall productivity and morale. 10. Long-term sustainability. Ultimately, human resource planning contributes to the long-term sustainability and growth of the organization by optimizing its most valuable asset, its people. Benefits of HRP. 1. Talent acquisition. It helps in identifying the right talent for the right job, ensuring the organization has the skills and expertise needed to achieve its goals. 2. Cost savings. By forecasting staffing needs, organizations can avoid overstaffing or understaffing, thus optimizing costs related to recruitment, training, and turnover. 3. Employee development. It provides a framework for employee training and development, ensuring that employees have the skills needed for their current and future roles. 4. Succession planning. It enables organizations to identify and groom potential future leaders, reducing the risk of key position vacancies and ensuring continuity. 5. Adaptability. Human resource planning allows organizations to quickly adapt to changes in the external environment by aligning their workforce with evolving business strategies and market conditions. 6. Improved performance. By ensuring that the right people are in the right roles, human resource planning can lead to increased employee engagement, productivity, and overall performance. 7. Legal compliance. It helps organizations stay compliant with labor laws and regulations by ensuring that they have the right policies and procedures in place to protect both employees and the company. 8. Strategic alignment. Human resource planning aligns HR strategies with overall organizational goals, ensuring that HR initiatives support the company's mission and vision. I hope you learn easy concept. Thank you.